Hi everybody, my name is Dustin Brevet and I'm the Senior Product Manager here at Laticrete for membranes, shower systems, and floor heat. What I have for you today is a quick video to go through all of the various markings that we have on both our HydroBand sheet membrane and our HydroBand board. You're going to see some commonality and you're also going to see some differences, and we'll look to explain those in a little more detail. So the first of which is a common one, is the QR code that's on both the sheet membrane and the HydroBand board. Now that is specifically for lot tracking. If there was any issues with it, that is how we then retrieve when it was made and what conditions it was made in. So it does not tie back to a specific website. The second common feature is going to be the spacing markers. So they are spaced every 2 inches on the sheet membrane and every 2 inches on the board. So where that is key is when affixing this to metal or wood studs. The goal here would be the minimum of every 12 inches, both up and down on the stud, you're going to want to affix it and add a screw. You're also going to want to split seams as well. So again, a minimum of 12 inches. The markers are 2 inches apart, so we use those as a guideline. The third, and something that is a little bit different between the two, are the compliance markings. Both the ICC and the UPC are printed directly onto the sheet membrane, whereas on the board, the ICC logo is on the product label, and the UPC is printed on the side of the board in common increments throughout the run of the sheet. So again, just a real quick overview on what the markings mean and what they tie back to. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our various social media feeds and/or contact us directly through our tech services department. Thank you.